Dear students, today we are going to do 3.4 question number 2 fifth part. A lending library has a fixed charge for 3 days. Fixed charge for 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days while Susie paid 21 rupees for the book kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and charge for each extra day. Dear students, the question is just similar to that like the taxi fare question. As I told you, whenever in the question they talk about the fixed charges, you must remember that the fixed charge should not be multiplied by any of the number, and for extra day, each extra day you should multiply the number, right? Now what they said, that the first girl has taken the book for 7 days, and 7 days Sarita paid 27 rupees while Susie paid that much rupees. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each day. So out of the 7 days, dear students, the charges are fixed. So total amount Sarita has paid 27 rupees, right? This is the total amount. But out of the 7 days, for 3 days will be deducted because their charges are fixed. We are not going to multiply by any number. For remaining days, each day the charge is y rupees. So how many remaining days are left? Out of 7, total 7 days, 3 days are fixed. So left 4 days, right? 4 days are left. For each 4 day, if one day carries y rupees, for 4 days it will become 4y. So this will be a first equation. X rupees for first 3 days and remaining days will be 4y. X plus 4y is equal to 27. In second case, total 5 days are there. For 5 days, out of 5 days, for first 3 days, charges are fixed, x plus. Remaining how many days are left? 5 minus 3, 2 days are left. So for them, the charges will be 2y. And Susie total paid, she paid 21 rupees. So dear students, you can solve these equations by elimination method, right? So just solve them and get the answer of x and y. So if we solve it by elimination, we'll write the first equation, x plus 4y is equal to 27 and second x plus 2y is equal to 21. So dear students, as the coefficient of x is same in both the cases, we'll just change the sign. We'll subtract the equations, right? So get cancelled out. 4 minus 2 is 2y. 27 minus 21 is 6. So you'll get y is equal to 3. And by putting the value either in first equation or in second equation, you'll get the value of x. So by putting the value of y in either or of the equation, either in 1 or 2, we'll get the value of x. Now x is fixed charges, so therefore fixed charges is equal to rupees 15 and charges per day is equal to rupees 3. And to check, you can check, dear students, for the first 15 days, first 3 days, the 15 rupees plus 4 3s are 12, 15 plus 21. So in this way you can check also this question.